Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 7th lesson of D2 chapter number 17, exercise 17b, that is about the statistical averages, mean, median and mode of grouped and ungrouped data. In this lesson, I'll be discussing that how to find the median for grouped data, and when the observations are odd, I was feeling that we've done a lot of the practice about the even data and the application of the formula, but I have to discuss one special lesson for my students where the data is odd so that they can learn the formula properly and apply it. Although the requirement of the question is median, but we will be discussing the mode of this data as well for better understanding of mode. So let's move to the exercise 17b, and the question is about the graph. So first of all, I'm keeping my book here so that my students can see that how to read the graph. Here we can see that for 40 the frequency is 2. The frequency is 2. For 50 the frequency is 3. For 60 the frequency is 5. And then for 70 the frequency is 4. Frequency is 4. For 80 the frequency is 3. Frequency is 3. And then for 90 the frequency is 4. Okay, now first of all what we have to do is that we have to complete the frequencies in the frequency table. So let me write on the frequencies here. Frequencies are 2, and then 3, then 5, then 4, and then 3, and then 4. Now add up the frequencies. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 and 3 17, 17 and 3 20, and 1 is 21. So the sum of the frequencies is odd, and the formula for the median for odd data, median odd data, odd observations, the value of n plus 1 over 2th observation. Okay, in order to get value of n, we have to construct the cumulative frequency column. So the first frequency and the cumulative frequency will be coming as it is. Now this 2 will be added to the next frequency and the sum comes 5. That 5 will be added to the next frequency and the sum comes 10. Then this 10 will be added to 4, 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20, and 1 is 21. The last answer of the cumulative frequency and the frequency must match. Okay, now they are matching and it's clear that the data is odd. Okay, now what we have to do in order to get median for odd observations, the value of n plus 1 over 2th observation, n will be replaced by 21. The value of 21 plus 1 whole over 2th observation. Okay, 21 plus 1 is 22 over 2 observation. 2 ones are and 2 11s are 11th observation. Now students, what we have to do, and this is a common mistake that most of the students write this 11 as the median. This is not the median. What is the use of this cumulative frequency column? What we have to do, move into the cumulative frequency column and see where first time this 11 is coming. 11 cannot come in 2, it cannot come in 5, it cannot come in 10. 14 is the place where first time 11 can come, and median is the value of x in front of that cumulative frequency. So 70 will be the median for this data, median. I hope you are clear that how to find the median for grouped odd data. Okay, you are clear about how to find the median for the grouped odd data. Now the second problem that we are going to discuss is that we have to find the mode of the same data as well. For the grouped frequency table, mode is the number that has the largest frequency in front of that. Mode is the number that has the largest frequency in front of that. Now if you look at the frequency column, we have the frequencies 2, 3, then 4, 3 and 4. 5 is the frequency which is the largest frequency, so mode is the value of x in front of the largest frequency. Mode equals to 60 for this data. Okay, I hope you are clear about the median and mode. Let's write down the formula for the median of group data, and for even and odd median, grouped and even data formula is the value of n by 2 plus n plus 2 over 2 and whole over 2 observation. Now try to understand this n will be the last number of your cumulative frequency. This n will be the last number or the sum of the frequencies. You have to write them and make it half. You have to add 2 to the sum of the frequencies and make it half, then locate these two numbers into cumulative frequencies, and the values of x will be the median. Now for odd data, median odd data formula is n plus the value of n plus 1 over 2th observation. I hope you are clear about these two formulas. And the mode for the group data, the value of x in front of the largest frequency. The value of x in front of largest frequency. This lesson is the model lesson for the median and the mode, and especially median for odd and the group data. Please watch this lesson and understand this and keep the formulas in your mind. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.